Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hackolade how-to video. This is going to be another short video where we explain to you how you can use the command line interface to generate documentation automatically for your data models using the command line interface. This is something that you can do very easily using the tool also. Obviously, if I open up a data model, right at the top here, I will have a particular menu item that allows me to generate the documentation, right? And if I do that, then after a few seconds, it will come back with the HTML, PDF or Markdown documentation, right? But also I can do this automatically by just feeding a simple command to my terminal here. So this one here is the Hackolade genDoc command, right? And I'm going to first generate the HTML, right? And then we'll take it from there, right? So that's the first one that I'm going to take. And that should only take a few seconds. And it should come back with the directory fully generated. Note that this HTML version of the documentation is actually quite smart. It includes all of the visuals, all of the graphics immediately there. Now let me do the same thing with the PDF format, right? So I'm going to generate that as well. And last but not least, I will do the Markdown generation as well, and then show you what it looks like once that is all finished, right? So it's a very simple set of commands that you can generate here. And again, the same principle applies to all of the command line interface commands. You can very easily integrate this into a script or a GitHub action or whatever it is that you want to use it for. So here we're launching the Markdown version. So just showing this right here, right? So we've got the documentation directory right here. The PDF is already there, right? The HTML is already there, right? And in a few seconds, we will get the Markdown also to be generated. The Markdown is also really interesting because it includes a separate directory with all of the GIF files, right? So PNG files, I should say rather, right? So all of these things are automatically put into a separate directory so that you can also use them for other purposes where necessary. So again, everything that we were able to do in the client interface of Hackolade, we're also able to do as part of the command line interface, and as a consequence, we can embed that into all of our processes, into all of our pipelines, and automate some of our data modeling tasks using this command line interface. I hope this was useful, and I look forward to hearing from you, and I wish you a wonderful day. Cheers.